Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And if you like this item you see today, all you got to do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out. But if you have some time, go see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Let's see what this could be. You never know. Here we go. And we have here, woo, this is nice. Elegiant 10-watt colorful light USB PC speaker. It's pretty shiny. Oh yes, I like the way it looks right there. Got the LEDs. Got a knobber. Now let's unopen this. Drop you right there. Let's see if I could get it in one shot. Well, that's going in my, well, maybe I could use it in here. I got a computer right here, brand new, so we'll test it out. But it'll probably definitely go in my room, on my PC. Let's see. There we go. Alright. So now you get a soundbar for your computer. It'll be rocking, gaming, a lot of good stuff. There we go. Got the manual on here. Pretty simple. Everything's out. So Elegiant right there. Wow, got some cords here. Oh, yeah, this is a nice little size. And the LEDs probably light up there, right there. Got another. Either, there we go. Oh, it's backwards. That might help. There we go. So we got headphones and a mic you can have. Easy turn knob. Here's the back. SR 200 plus. Power. And then, what is that? That must be for the lights, the LED. There's a button right top there. Bottom is nothing except for the cords. Untwine this with the twisty tie. Definitely check these guys out. Give a gift to yourself, a friend. You never know who might need one of these. Especially now with everybody gaming. A lot of people are on their computers right now more than ever. So that's a good thing though, if you use it the right way. There we go. And out of the way. So simple. USB, or yeah, USB, and then the green and the orange. Alright, we're gonna hop over to my computer. I'll be right back. Alright guys, here we are. Got it all set up. And like I said, you can use that. And they sound really nice, so. Got it USB plugged in to my switch right there. So really cool RGBs, LEDs. fit perfectly underneath there, but I'm going to switch it downstairs, my other computer. Not sure yet where I'm going to stick it, but there you go. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. Have a great weekend. See you soon.